Naija Army 6th Division don yarn the officers to get patience and other core values wey the army teach them for service to their fatherland, and also encourage the officers to dey well trained and motivated to fit into the vision of the Chief of Army Staff. General Officer of the Division, Major General Jamal Abdul Salam, yarned this one for the decoration of 5 new Brigadier Generals for Port Harcourt. He can tell them to remain loyal and focused and say every officer get responsibility of building the nation and also to protect the nation's assets.
The ingredients of success as I see them are, first of all, patience. As officers try as much as possible to develop that attitude of being patient at all times. Next is hard work and dedication. You have to always be hardworking as an officer. That is what sets you out from other people. Hard work and dedication to it. You can be hard work, but if you are not dedicated, there is also a difference. Next is loyalty and integrity. And I'm happy our very senior retired officer also mentioned it. Loyalty and integrity. Loyalty is very important. I admonish all of us to focus. The Nigerian economy is basically dependent on oil production and oil export. And we, 6th Division, right here, covering this Niger Delta region for a purpose. Our purpose is to ensure that oil production is maintained, and government has already made projection for 2024. So our responsibility is to ensure that that projection made by the government is achieved and, if possible, even surpassed.
Brigadier General Chidozie Amoha, on behalf of the 5 decorated officers, talk say,
"Sir, the key participation and contributions we have witnessed here from the audience assures us that we have the backing to contribute our ideas and suggestions to the strides being made by the Nigerian Army to achieve its objectives in line with the Chief of Army Staff Command philosophy. This occasion also provides an opportunity for us to appreciate our spouses, friends, and well-wishers who made out time from their various busy schedules to be here with us."
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.